Have you ever dreamed of a road trip where you can explore freely, without worrying about fuel costs, parking struggles, or oversized vehicles? Well, imagine a tiny house on 3 wheels, compact, efficient, and packed with adventure. This is the Camper Tricycle RV, a game-changer in the world of travel and minimalistic living. This little beast is designed for those who love the open road but want something more affordable, sustainable, and unique than a traditional RV. It's a hybrid between a motorized tricycle and a full-fledged camper, giving you the best of both worlds. Small enough to navigate through narrow city streets yet spacious enough to provide a cozy overnight shelter, this micro-home on wheels is redefining what it means to travel light. Let's start with the design. Unlike conventional RVs, the Camper Tricycle is built to be ultra-lightweight. Made from a combination of lightweight aluminum and reinforced fiberglass, it strikes the perfect balance between durability and mobility. Some models even feature a collapsible roof or expandable side panels, allowing you to increase your living space when parked. Despite its compact nature, it is meticulously designed to maximize comfort and functionality. Stepping inside, you'll be surprised at how efficiently space is used. The interior typically includes a foldable bed, a small kitchenette with a single-burner stove, a sink with a water pump system, and even storage compartments for essentials. Some versions come equipped with solar panels, making them perfect for off-grid adventures. Picture yourself waking up to the sunrise, brewing a fresh cup of coffee while overlooking a serene lakeside view, all from the comfort of your tiny home on wheels. One of the most appealing features of the Camper Tricycle RV is its affordability. Traditional RVs can cost tens of thousands of dollars, not to mention the fuel and maintenance costs. A camper tricycle is significantly cheaper, both in upfront cost and long-term expenses. With its fuel-efficient engine, often electric or hybrid, you can travel long distances without breaking the bank. Plus, many of these tricycles are designed to be self-sufficient, equipped with rechargeable battery systems and eco-friendly energy sources. But what about comfort? Many skeptics assume that such a small camper would compromise on the basic amenities. However, manufacturers have gotten incredibly creative, incorporating ergonomic design principles to maximize every inch of space. Some models feature retractable work desks, modular seating that converts into sleeping quarters, and even mini fridges to keep your food fresh on the road. While it's not a 5-star luxury suite, it's more than enough for solo travelers or couples seeking a minimalist yet functional lifestyle. Speaking of lifestyle, owning a Camper Tricycle RV is more than just a travel choice, it's a statement. It represents a shift towards sustainability, minimalism, and a love for adventure. With rising fuel costs and growing concerns about environmental impact, downsizing to a compact, fuel-efficient mobile home is an excellent way to reduce your carbon footprint. Some models even come with pedal assist features, allowing you to switch between motorized and manual riding modes, further decreasing emissions and giving you an active way to travel. Another major advantage of this vehicle is its flexibility. Unlike bulky RVs that require dedicated parking spots, the Camper Tricycle can fit into regular parking spaces, making urban exploration much easier. Whether you're weaving through busy city streets, setting up camp in a remote countryside, or parking in a small driveway, you have the freedom to go where traditional RVs can't. Imagine the possibilities. A solo traveler looking to embrace the van life experience without the hassle of owning a full-sized van. A digital nomad seeking a mobile office that allows them to work from anywhere in the world. A retiree who wants to explore the country at their own pace without spending a fortune on gas and accommodations. A weekend adventurer who loves the thrill of spontaneous road trips. The Camper Tricycle RV caters to all these lifestyles and more. Of course, there are some challenges. The limited space means you have to be strategic about what you pack. Water storage and waste disposal require careful planning, especially for longer trips. And while it's more comfortable than a traditional motorcycle, it's still smaller than a standard RV, which means you need to embrace a minimalist lifestyle. But for many, these trade-offs are worth it for the convenience, cost savings, and environmental benefits. Safety is another important consideration. While camper tricycles are designed to be stable, they don't offer the same level of protection as full-sized RVs in case of an accident. That's why manufacturers prioritize features like reinforced frames, roll cages, and advanced braking systems to enhance safety. Some even include built-in GPS tracking, anti-theft alarms, and backup cameras to improve visibility and security. For those interested in customization, the possibilities are endless. Many camper tricycle owners modify their rides with unique paint jobs, solar panel extensions, pop-up sleeping areas, and even small entertainment systems. Whether you want a rugged, off-road ready design or a sleek, futuristic-looking mini RV, you can personalize it to match your personality and needs. So, where can you take one of these incredible machines? The short answer: anywhere. Whether it's the open highways of America, the picturesque landscapes of Europe, or the bustling streets of Asia, a camper tricycle RV allows you to experience the world in a completely new way. You can camp in national parks, visit hidden gems off the beaten path, or even live full-time on the road without worrying about excessive costs or complicated logistics. For those who love the idea of van life but want something even more compact and efficient, this is the perfect solution. It embodies the spirit of exploration, self-sufficiency, and sustainable travel, all wrapped up in a stylish and practical package. So, what do you think? Is the camper tricycle RV the future of budget-friendly, sustainable road trips? Could this be your next big adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content on unique vehicles and innovative travel solutions. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.